Hello everyone, Andrew here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the next video for my traffic exchange sites, the series of videos that I'm doing, and today I'm going to be talking about MembersRule. Probably a lot of you might know this site because it has been around since 2004, so it's almost 2 decades now. However, before we continue, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that like button, also that notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. And if you comment on the video, I'd appreciate it. Now, this is the dashboard of my account. I am a free member and of course it's free to join. I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description of this video. Just click on it and it's free to join. As other traffic exchange sites, the first thing you want to do after you sign up for free and log into your back office is you want to enter your first site. Now, as a free member, you are allowed to advertise only 2 sites, and keep in mind this rule here: PDP and traffic co-ops are not allowed except this and this. All right, now as a free member, like I said, you can advertise only 2 sites on the sites page. You have also the banners page, and again I would think that here, I haven't tried it apparently, but let me just try. But I think that here only 2 banners you can put as well. I don't know if it gets the same banner. Alright, as a free member. Oh no, you can put more banners if you want. However, I only use 1. Okay, there are text ads. You can put the same as everywhere else. Just enter your targeted URL, a simple text that will attract attention, and you're good to go. You can assign impressions or you can assign credits. Alright, so this is the home page basically, where you can find some general information about your account and what's going on around MembersRule. Okay, now since this has been around since 2004, it's obvious that it is a well-established and very reliable site, right? And let's see what other options it has. So this is the surf page. You just click here, it will take you to the surf page with a 8 seconds timer. Okay, then the moment the timer runs out, then you have to choose the same image as here, as on the left, and there you go. You jump to the next page, surfing page, and as you can see, I earned, just for surfing that page, I earned 0.4 credits. All right, so this is it. You just click here to get back home. And loyalty rewards, this is a different thing that MembersRule have. If you are active on a daily basis, surfing at least 100 pages, then every month you will earn $1.5 just for being active. Now it is $0.05 a day, but you cannot, I mean, it will be pending until the month ends. Alright, so you have to be active surfer with at least 100 pages surf every single day, and every month you will get $1.5. Now this is not a site to make money, guys. This is a site to advertise. So whatever cash you earn from this, you can use it to purchase credits or other advertising goods, or maybe even to purchase an upgrade. Alright, so this is not to get rich. This is to advertise your main affiliate links, okay, or maybe your website or just your business. All right, and of course we have also the daily surfer reward, and for every 250 pages that you surf at least every day, you can choose advertising goods. It is credits, banners, or text ad impressions, and that's it. This is one other thing different in MembersRule, that you have to surf at least 250 pages, but no matter how much more you surf, you will earn only this one reward. I already collected my reward for today. Of course, it was credits. Alright, now other stuff that you can find here are banners, like I said, text and monthly bonuses you can find if you are an upgraded member. Alright, you can also create square banners. Sorry, you can auto assign, and you have to have 75% auto assign credits in order to continue surfing. You can create your rotators, and of course my top 10 sites. Now this is just like a capture page or maybe a landing page, a simple website with one page where you can promote all of your sites that you wish to get signups to. For example, I don't know, Shruti Hits, Hungry for Hits, Traffic at Bar, Cash Juice, etc. And this will appear with some banners, a simple landing page with some banners. I don't use that because to create my landing page, as always, I use leadslib.com if I want. All right. You can also create your personal banners here on MembersRule if you wanna brand yourself or if you wanna promote your own business or your own website. You just enter a text here, upload an image, a picture from your files on your desktop or laptop, and that's it. Simple as that. You can also buy credits if you don't have time to surf to earn credits, or you can also reserve a page. Now this might be very effective. I haven't tried it, to be honest, but if you see green here on the calendar, that means that the day is available, and for $3 you can reserve one day and your site will be displayed every 30 sites for each member. So if 1000 members are surfing on that day, every 30 pages they surf, they will see your ad for $3 every day. All right. Now there are other things that you can explore yourself the moment you sign up and you get used to MembersRule. So I think that now it's time to check out some results, as always using leadslib.com, and I'm gonna leave this video with that. All right, now there you go. This is the link. I already found it. This is the link that I'm promoting. Okay, and there you go, MembersRule. Now 485 in total, 450 unique, out of which 429 real. So I would say that this is pretty good. However, I'm gonna test MembersRule for a couple of months, maybe a little more, and then as always I'm gonna be doing with my other review videos, I'm gonna record the second video just to compare the results, as always using leadslib.com. Alright, so this is it, guys. It's basically very simple to navigate, very simple to use, and very important, it's been around for a long time, which means it's well established. It's not a scam, it's legit, etc. It provides real traffic, real users. Alright, so again, I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description of this video. Just click on it, join it, and I repeat, there is a lot more here, but first things first, you join for free, create your first site, auto-assign 75% of your credits, create your banner and text ads, then start surfing every day at least 100 pages in order to be active and to earn some extra cash on the side. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!